Hey carpet cleaners, John here, and in this video I want to talk about the 3 main reasons why your ads are not working for your carpet cleaning business. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called Ads Grow Business, or otherwise known as AGB, and we specialize in one industry and one industry only, the carpet cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting carpet cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs with our specialist marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many carpet cleaning businesses as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis or through this YouTube channel. So with that in mind, let's dive right in. So let's talk about the 3 reasons why your ads are probably not working or converting. Number 1, more often than not, it's going to be the special offer in the ad, the pricing. Now, it might be that you've got 5, 10 other people also advertising in your area, and it could be that they're $5, $10, $20 cheaper than you, or they've got a better offer or something that's more sexy, that's more appealing than yours, and they're advertising to the very same people that you are. And of course, because they've got the better offer, they're clicking on their ad and not your ad. How do you fix that? How do you solve that? Well, you solve that by coming up with a better special offer than your competitors. I've done tons of videos on this. Go and check them out on the YouTube channel. It does not mean necessarily that you have to reduce your prices or become like the cheapest guy in town. Not at all. It's all about perceived value, and it's also about understanding cost of acquisition. So like maybe like your competitors doing 3 rooms, an odor treatment for $150 or whatever it is, and you're charging $160 for the same thing. How about you do 3 rooms, an odor treatment, and a hallway for the same price for $160? So you're not reducing your price, and what you do is you caveat the size of that hallway. Say it's got a maximum size, so you're not getting caught out. You're not doing a hallway that's the size of a football pitch. It's a really small hallway. You're already in the house doing the 3 rooms anyway. To do a little strip of a hallway, some small little hallway, since you're already there, you've got the gear in the house, it's going to take you a matter of minutes. It's not a big deal, and you don't have to reduce your prices, but the perceived value, for example, to the customer, because they're getting more than 3 rooms, an extra $10 than the competitor, they're actually getting a hallway, so the perceived value is higher. It means that your offer may well then, by adjusting it, by throwing in that little hallway, may start to convert better than your competitors. And again, it's all about understanding the cost of acquisition. Yeah, okay, man, maybe you've had to lower your prices on Facebook a little, or you've had to throw in a free odor treatment or a free hallway or a landing to get people on the end of the fishing rod. But as per my other videos, if you've got all of your chips in order, you've got a referral scheme, and you understand the basics of business, then this should not be a problem for you. For example, if you've got a really solid referral scheme and that person brings you 4 or 5 other customers, if you do a great job and you have the systems in place to turn them into a repeat business customer, and they go and schedule with you another 4 or 5 times over the next 12 to 18 months and spend hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars with you, if you have everything in place to accommodate and make all of those things happen, then that extra free hallway that you did that one time, considering it brought you 4 or 5 other customers through referrals, considering that person went on to spend more and more money with you over the next few months, over the next year, I think, to be fair, it's worth it. So number 1 reason why your ads are not working, probably your offer. Doesn't mean you need to reduce it. You just need to come up with something that has a higher perceived value than your competitors, and understand that yes, to actually get your foot in the door, to acquire a customer, especially through Facebook advertising, which is more of an impulse buy based on a deal, you might have to kind of like do some level of a discount or throw something extra in. But to get your foot in the door and to actually turn, if that person, like I say, turns into a repeat business customer or sends you a bunch of referrals, then it's well worth it, right, in the long run. So that's number 1 reason. The second reason is probably your creative. The biggest thing when it comes to Facebook ads is the creative. That's the thing that takes up most of the real estate space. The actual text, it only allows you to have like 1 or 2 lines before the person has to hit like read more. So really, like, most of the ad is like taken up by the creative, the image or the video. Another thing to test out is to try out different videos. Obviously people are getting bombarded with images and videos and posts and stuff on Facebook, cute cats, everybody's trying to get everybody's attention, and you've really got a matter of seconds to really kind of grab them. So the more that you can kind of grab them with your content content, with your video, with your picture, the better. The more it kind of jumps off the page, if you like, the better. So another thing to try if your ads are not working is try different videos, test some different ones out and see if you get better results. And then the third and the final reason why your ads might not be working might simply be your area and your population and the demographic. And what I mean by that is I'm pretty sure a friend of mine, a girl who's based in America, she was telling me, and I might be wrong, I've never been there, I'm only going off what she told me, that in San Francisco hardly anybody's got any carpet. It's all hardwood floors and stuff like that. That being the case, if you're running carpet cleaning ads, you're not getting any results, nothing's working, well, it might just be the fact that people have got hardwood floors. So maybe you should change the service that you're advertising. If you offer hardwood floor cleaning, then do that. Or if you don't, focus your ad around upholstery cleaning. Although people might not have carpets, they've got sofas, right? Or tile cleaning. The other thing as well is that maybe your population is not big enough, and maybe the zip codes that you've put in there, the postal codes, like Facebook doesn't have enough data to kind of chew on to kind of figure things out and get optimized. So you might want to look at adding more zip codes. So there's a bigger population, there's more data for the Facebook algorithm to figure it out. It could be that maybe you've got some bad zip codes in there, rough areas. Maybe you want to take some zip codes out and refine them, so more people in the areas where you're more likely to get work see your ads every day. So those, I would say, are like the three main points that will hopefully uncover the reasons why your ads are not working. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level, head down to the description where you'll find a link to our website where you'll be able to schedule a call and we'll be able to run you through everything in more detail. See you on the next video, guys. Peace.